This is Richard Pearce from Build a Joomla website. The latest version of Joomla, version 3, has been released, and in this video I'll take you through the major new features. For more information, check out the Joomla 3 announcement at joomla.org. The first and biggest change to mention is the integration of Twitter Bootstrap. This is a set of tools provided by the folks at Twitter that provide solutions for features such as navigation, thumbnails, and typography. This is going to be particularly useful for the Joomla administrator. Developers can now use a common set of tools so extensions have a consistent look and feel. Because extension developers have the freedom to do what they want, this has led to an inconsistent user interface between extensions, which in turn leads to a poor user experience. Introducing the Bootstrap framework into Joomla also makes life easier for developers, as the back-end interface has essentially already been designed. Big feature number 2 stems from the first. The Bootstrap framework makes it easy to create mobile-friendly designs. Both the Joomla 3 default administrator template and new front-end template are what's known as responsive. This means the content placement varies based on the device being used to view the page. No additional extensions are required to achieve this result. It's built right in to the Joomla 3 core. The installer has received a major overhaul in both look and function. The Postgresql Database is now supported, which means there are now 3 database options, as Microsoft SQL Server support was added in version 2.5. Language packages can now be installed via Administrator, although technically this feature was introduced in 2.5.7. The Joomla ACL changes, introduced into version 1.6, saw, among other things, a feature called the Guest User Group. When set up correctly, it allows you to hide content from logged-in users. For example, you might have a custom HTML module that displays an image labelled Become a Member. It doesn't make sense to display this to users who have logged in, so this module should have an access level assigned that means it is only shown to non-logged-in users. The Guest User Group provides this function, and from version 3, the setup required for this is already in place. So, now all you have to do is go to the appropriate module, article or menu item and set the access level to Guest. This next one is a bit obscure, but some will appreciate that in Joomla 3, it's now possible to save an article without any body content. You still need a title, but in the past Joomla required some content in the text box too, and now that's no longer a necessity. There's a quick look at some of the new features in Joomla 3. The Joomla project is recommending to hold off jumping to this new version straight away, as it is rather new and it will take some time until extension developers catch up. It's a good idea to stick with version 2.5 for now and update later. The most stable version of Joomla 3 is scheduled for release in September 2013. To learn more about Joomla, visit us at www.buildajoomlawebsite.com.